Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I achieve this very cute and dainty pink makeup look. So stay tuned for a step-by-step tutorial. If you want details on this hairstyle, make sure to look at my last video where I actually gave the full tutorial for that. So starting off, I'm actually going to go ahead and get the process going by creating my very defined thick eyebrow lines, bars. Then I'm coming right in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, applying that on my eyelid as a base foundation. It does really great with making sure that my color pops. Then I'm coming in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, just to clean up my eyebrows to make sure they look nice, neat, and snatched. Y'all know I love me a good brow. Now I'm going to start the eyeshadow process using the Crayon Case Matte Book palette. Going in with this light pink color to set the foundation of that color. Coming in with a little darker pink and putting it right in the center of my eye because I want it to stand out. Then I'm coming in with this purple to add some drama for your mama. Now that my eyeshadow is done, I'm coming in with my Maybelline Master Primer and then following that with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I love this foundation because it doesn't take a lot of product to give you a nice full coverage look. Next, I'll be applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Applying under my eye, right there on my forehead, my nose, and blending that on out. Once that's all set, I am going in and applying my eyelashes, making sure that they look the same on each eye because baby, ain't nothing like having a crooked eyelash. Walking around looking crazy like you're blinking and thinking. Then I'm going to set my under eye concealer as well as everywhere else that I put on the concealer by using the Crayon Case Chalk Dust. And you can set it by either letting it bake or literally pressing it into your skin like you see me doing right here. I love the setting powder because it gives you absolutely no flashback. So next I'm taking some more of that purple and actually applying it on my waterline and really smoking out of the eye just to give it a nice, bold, colorful look. Now that the eyeshadow is done, I am coming in with some mascara, applying it on my lower eyelid here. I love applying mascara on the lower lash because I really feel like it just makes your eye pop. Next, I'm going to be applying the Crayon Case highlighter. This is absolutely my fave highlighter right now. I love it because it doesn't just shimmer, it truly beams. You can see it does give you a nice glow. You can layer as much as you like to make it a little bit more dramatic. So I am going to finish the look with my lip. I'm actually using the Lip Bar Prima Donna Black History Month kit. I was so excited to try this out. I love Lip Bar's products and I love Melissa Butler and her story. So excited to continue to be able to support. So I am using the Prima Donna lip liner and then coming in with their liquid matte lipstick. I absolutely love this because it applies on like a liquid, but then it actually sets as a matte finish. And here is the final look. I absolutely love this look. Pink is my favorite color and I love the transition to purple. The Prima Donna lip actually just sets the complete look off. So if you enjoy watching this video and this look, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to check me out on my social media channels so you can keep up with me on a daily basis. Until next time, bye my gems.